District Court Judge Talasaato Saanga has denied bail for Samuelu, also known as Sam, and his wife Sivai Kepu. The decision was delivered after the court sorted out the charges against Sam, Sivai, and 3 other co-defendants, Member of Parliament Vepulea'i Fasavalusua, Inspector Leo Fa'ataumalama Au'ava, and Lise Schmidt. The defendants are facing various charges in relation to the unresolved hit-and-run incident that killed a university student at Vaitele in April 2021. In her decision, Judge Saanga referred to issues raised by the prosecution, which warranted their opposition to the bail application. Prosecution highlighted evidence provided during the bail hearing of Sam, trying to influence the mother of their key witness, Tupuola Tanu Wright, by asking the woman to talk to her son to support his testimony to the police. The other point was Sam's criminal history, which dates back to 2006, for which he had been imprisoned several times. The court also noted Sam had escaped twice from police custody while serving time and the number of convictions against him. Judge Saanga then highlighted a provision in Section 101 of the Criminal Procedures Act 2016 where priority is given to public safety, the applicant's previous convictions, and interference with witnesses. The court also took into account the defense counsel's failure to provide Sam's CT scan result, which was central to their bail application. Sam and Sivai are jointly charged with Lise Schmidt, Leo Fa'ataumalama Au'ava, and Vepulea'i Fasavalusua in some of the charges. Police finalized the charges, with Sam facing 104 charges, Sivai with 59, Vepulea'i with 18, Lise with 9, and Leo with 4. The charges range from conspiracy to defeat the cause of justice, fabrication of information, misleading information to the police, insulting words, harassment, and conspiracy to commit an offense. All defendants entered pleas of not guilty through their lawyers. The court has set the hearing for 2 weeks, commencing on the 20th of May 2024. Sam and Sivai remain in police custody at Tanumalala Prison, while Vepulea'i, Leo, and Lise are released on bail conditions that require them to sign at the police headquarters twice a week. Vepulea'i applied through his lawyer Tanya Toiloa to amend his bail condition of signing twice a week, as it has impacted on his duties as a member of parliament. Judge Saanga denied the application and told the defendant that he can sign at a nearby police outpost when he is in Savai'i. Immediately outside the court, Sam's family members tried to block police from escorting Sam and Sivai out of court. Some of the relatives called out for justice and accused police of being biased as police pushed Sam and his wife through the crowd to the police vehicles to take them to custody.